This is the all-new designed RP190 high-capacity quick-access multifunction pistol safe. Quick high-resolution sensor stores 20 unique fingerprint IDs. 2 separate layers bring more usable interior capacity. You can share it with your family without losing your own privacy. Pry-resistant door and dual-layer steel housing. Interior lighting provides increased visibility so you can easily access your guns without additional lighting. Shock-proof carrying handle design ensures protection of your belongings doesn't suffer serious damage when it falls. The interior soft foam surface cradles your weapons and valuables. RP190 Safe delivers security exactly where you want it.